Hi everyone, Cool Cameron 64 here, and I got two USB connectors. They're in different models from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna show you right there. Right here. God dang it, this video. Sorry about that, guys. It's a little bit laggy. Hold on, I gotta do something real quick. Right here, this is the oh, we should put it upside down. 2-in-1 micro USB cable stylus, but it just shows how it works. And I'm gonna show you the micro USB wristband. So if you excuse me, guys, hold on. Alright, guys. It's recording this.
Okay, you gonna come eat?
Yeah, I want to do recording this.
Alright.
So guys, so we are going to, hold on guys, I'm going to be at least hooking up these parts right here, and my neck. Alright guys, so we have actually got this, and we're going to see what's, hold on guys, I'm going to see what's inside. Oh. Hold on guys. So right here guys, see right here, this red thing right here covers this, and this is just like a wristband. I'm gonna try some okay guys, so guys. And guys, there it is. Oh crap, sorry about that guys. There it is right here. This is the this doesn't seem to fit me as well, but this wristband it's pretty useful. And we got the stylus pen. And hold on guys. And you want to see right here guys, so right here guys, this is what it actually this is what it looks like. So those parts are, these are the parts for this stylus pen. So this is like the female USB connector cord and the male connector cord. So these are pretty useful. So let's see over here. And hold on guys, I'm gonna put, so guys, I'm attaching this back together again. So hold on. You're gonna see. So guys, now watch closely guys. See right here guys. So guys, I gotta eat dinner. Before I do this quick right now, so see, this is really interactive. I can just do this, do that, and I can do a lot of this stuff. And so these are very cool USB connector cords I have that I can carry along with me. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and Cool Cameron 64 out. And I apologize, this might be a little short video, but that's what I had to do for tonight. So, and don't forget to stay awesome, my friends.